Welcome to the Learners Club. Today we are going to learn three important Excel functions, which are left, mid and right. So let's start. In this worksheet, column A contains the list of codes. Every code is assigned in such a way which can be bifurcated for analytical purposes. For example, in cell A2, the code is 1601A001. The first two digits of this code are nothing but the year, that is 2016, in which this product was manufactured. The next two digits, that is 0 and 1, signify the name of the month, that is January, in which this product was manufactured. The next is the alphabetical series, which goes from A to Z, and the last three digits are nothing but the unique product code. Now let's say we have to break down this code into four different parts, which are year and month in which this product was produced, the alphabetical series, and the unique code. We can do this by using left, mid, and right functions. So let's begin. To get the year of this product in which it was produced, we will need the left two digits. So in B2 cell, we will type =, LEFT, left, bracket open. Now we will give reference of cell A2 from where we want that year, comma, and the number of characters that we need to extract, which are 2 characters, the left 2 characters, 1 and 6. So we will type 2, bracket complete, and press enter. So here we have the year of manufacture. Now to extract the month, we need 2 middle digits of this product code. For this, we will type =MID, bracket open. Again we will give reference of cell A2, comma. Now here it asks us the start number. To get the start number, we need to know that we are extracting 0 and 1, and 0 is the 1, 2 and 3rd digit. That means the start number is 3 in this case. So we will write 3rd digit as the start number, and the number of characters that we want are 0 and 1, which are nothing but 2. So we'll write 2 and we will close the bracket and we'll press enter. So here comes the name of the month, not the name but the number of the month. Similarly, by using mid function, we will extract alphabetical series. Now type =mid, open bracket. Same again, give the reference to cell A2, comma. Now the start number. So A is nothing but the 1601. After 4, 5th digit or 5th alphabet is A. So we'll write 5 as the start number, and we only have one alphabetical series. That means only one alphabet in a series, which is 1. Again bracket close and press enter. So here comes the alphabetical series. Now we are only remaining with the last 3 digits, that is the unique code. For this, here we will type =RIGHT, right, bracket open. Again give the cell reference to A2, comma, and we want the last 3 rightmost digits to extract. So let's type 3, number of characters, bracket close and enter. So here comes the unique code of the product. Now we will simply copy this and paste it down to get the breakdown of all item codes. So this is how we use left, mid and right functions in Excel, as these functions play a very vital role for further analysis of data. I hope you have liked this video. Thank you so very much for watching this. See you next time.